Let's explore all the AI tools available in ClearCRM, from writing and content generation to image generation and more. Once your OpenAI key is connected, everything works natively inside your CRM. First up is the AI chatbot. It is a flexible assistant for anything you need: writing emails, summarizing content, or even brainstorming ideas. For example, I'll ask for a follow-up email after a product demo, and it returns something ready to send. I can copy and save it for reuse. Next is the image generation. This is useful for things like blog visuals or quick marketing graphics. I'll enter a prompt, for example, a minimalist illustration for a team collaborating on a project. You can change the number of images to generate, the size of the images, and also use a default model or other models available. And click Generate. Once the image is generated, I can view and download it for later reuse. And you can also delete the images you've generated. The third one is the AI audio transcription. Now, if you have call recordings or voice memos, this section can transcribe your audio files into text. You simply upload an MP3 or M4A file, and the AI handles the rest. Similarly, the translation tool works with audio, but it translates content into your system's default language. For example, now the language is English. By the way, you can change the default language by clicking on this button and changing the language here. This is helpful when you receive voice recordings in other languages and want to understand or document them internally. The AI documents. Every result you generate gets saved in the AI documents section. You can revisit past work here, organize your content, and reuse anything you've already generated. AI templates. This is where things get really efficient. These are custom prompt templates you can reuse for repeat tasks across your team. Let's see a sample AI template generation. You can enter a prompt like "write a polite reminder about overdue invoice," and you can give it a name and a category like finance or support. If you want to make your template more dynamic, you can add custom input like a client name or payment amount and insert them as variables inside your prompt, such as writing input name as client name and input label as text version of client name, and choosing the type as text. These variables work like merge fields. Just use double curly brackets like to automatically inject user-provided values when using the template. And finally, make sure to scroll down and click Save.